Hey y'all, welcome back to Rooster's Recipe.
Today Alex and I are going to be showing you how to make the most delicious slow cooker chicken Alfredo. Let's get started.
So you're going to add 2 boneless chicken breasts.
Or about a pound. To your crock pot.
So you'll need 4 ounces of cream cheese.
And then you're going to need 4 tablespoons of butter, all chopped up.
You will need 3 tablespoons of minced garlic. Add a little bit of salt and pepper to your liking.
Okay, so now you're going to take 2.5 cups of heavy whipping cream. And go ahead and add that to your crock pot.
So you'll need 1 cup of chicken broth. Pour it into your crock pot. So now you're going to cook it on high for about 2 to 3 hours. And then you're going to come back and add in the rest of your ingredients.
All right, so once you are about, I'd say about 2.5 to 3 hours in, you can come in here and you want to grab a mixing bowl and you're gonna take the chicken breast out and shred up all of your chicken. It just makes it a lot easier to do it that way. All right, so now you are going to return your chicken to the crock pot.
Add about 1/2 cup of grated parmesan cheese.
And then just take any pasta of your choice and use about 8 ounces. So I'm gonna use half of this box and dump it into your crock pot with the rest of your mixture.
Now you're going to stir everything together.
All right, so after you get everything mixed properly, you want to continue to cook it on high for about 35 to 40 more minutes. And then your chicken Alfredo should be complete. I can't wait to see how it turns out. All right, so I'd say it's been a little bit over the amount of time we would normally cook it, 30 to 45 minutes. There are some noodles in there that did not get all the way covered, so I'm going to put the top back on it for a few minutes, but it looks so scrumptious. All right, I gave it just a few more minutes and this is what we're looking at. Oh my gosh, it looks absolutely delicious and it smells even better. So I cannot wait to taste it. All right, so when you are done, you can pair your chicken Alfredo with some garlic bread and enjoy.
If you like trying new recipes, subscribe to our channel. Until next time, bye.